Hi. Does your Bluetooth icon not appearing in notification panel, or in system tray when you turn on Bluetooth? In this video I will show you few ways how to add Bluetooth icon in Windows 10 PC. First, we will enable Bluetooth icon in Quick Actions, if you can't see it there. Click on Notification button in bottom right corner. And if you can't see Bluetooth icon here, click on the empty space, and select Edit. Down here, click on Add. Select Bluetooth. And click on Done. Now you have BT icon in Quick Actions menu. Another way to enable it is through Devices in Windows Settings. Left-click on Start and select Settings. Click on Devices. Here, toggle this switch to On to enable Bluetooth. If you still can't see BT icon in Taskbar or in Overflow menu, then on the right side, click on More Bluetooth options. In this window, check the box where it says Show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. Click on Apply and OK. And now you should be able to see your Bluetooth icon down here. If you still can't see your Bluetooth icon after these steps, try to restart Bluetooth service. To do that, right-click on Start and select Run. Here type services.msc and hit Enter. Here search for Bluetooth Support Service. When you find it, double-click on it to open this window. Under Startup Type, you should select Manual. If the service is stopped, press on Start, and if it's running, press Stop. And then Start. We have now restarted the service. Next step is to update Bluetooth driver. To do that, right-click on Start and select Search. Here type Device Manager. And select it up here. Expand Bluetooth, and right-click on your device and click on Update Driver. You can search for drivers on your computer if you downloaded drivers already. Or select Search automatically for drivers. Last step is to launch Bluetooth manually. Go to your Windows Explorer. Open C drive. Then Windows folder and then System32 folder. Search for fsquirt file. When you find it, right-click on it, go to Send to, and select Desktop, create shortcut. You can double-click on this icon on desktop, and use it to send or receive files over Bluetooth connection. I hope that you find solution for your problem in this methods. If you did, don't forget to like the video, and please subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next easy way tutorial. Bye.